Midjourney is now free. You heard me right. Look at this. This is absolute perfection. Realism at its best. I'm overwhelmed. It's free to try it. Let's do it. Let's learn how. I'll also let you in a secret where you can prolong your trial. So let's start. Link will be in the description. No worries. We're in. Let's explore other creations which are fabulous. On your right, you always have the prompt if you want to use it, or you can download the photo. Click on the image. You can watch a tutorial or skip it. Let's explore other creations. Why? Because they can create amazing images. Let's choose one. Copy the prompt. Paste the prompt. Generate. You get full results. Look at this. Oh my God. I'll show you more results later on. Let's try another one. This one is so stunning. Same process. Copy the prompt and then paste it. In Organize, you have all your creations. Here are more results. This is absolutely mind-blowing. I am head over heels with Midjourney. You can also write your prompt, but you'll see that the results are not as good. Midjourney requires some knowledge and engineering of the prompts. Still great images, though. Right-click in the image and download it. That's it. So what's the secret? How can you prolong this trial? You can use several emails you have, and you can sign up with those. That's it. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Don't forget to check out my channel because I have amazing free eye tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for being here and supporting my work. Bye bye for now.